All right, you made it. You got through all the core material, which is a huge accomplishment. So congratulations on that. But now it's time for the final challenge, where you get to take everything you've learned and really put it into practice.
Look, you've gone through the concepts, you've seen the code examples, but the real test, and honestly, where the real learning kicks in, is when you start applying that knowledge yourself. This whole challenge is designed to lock in those new skills, moving them from just stuff you know in your head to things you can actually do.
So what are you in for? Well, we've set up a two-part test. It's designed to check out your new skills from a couple of different, but equally important angles.
To really master this stuff, you need two things, right? You need to understand the why behind it all, but you also need to know the how. That's exactly why we split this challenge up. The first part is all about checking your understanding of the big ideas, the core concepts. The second part, that's about your ability to turn those ideas into actual working code.
So first up, we're going to dig into that theoretical foundation. And this is not about just memorizing terms. It's about proving you really get the core principles of supervised fine-tuning. You know, things like how to properly format a data set or why those parameter-efficient methods are such a game changer.
And then we shift gears from theory to practice. This is where the fun really starts. You'll be the one writing the code, solving a problem, and turning all those abstract concepts into a fine-tuned model that gives you real results. For that hands-on coding section, you're going to be using this toolkit right here. You'll use datasets to get your data ready, transformers to load up the base model, peft to do that super efficient fine-tuning, and TRL to handle the whole training process. These are basically your go-to tools for this entire workflow.
Okay, so you know what's in the challenge. Now the big question, how do you get started? Don't worry, we've made the whole process really simple and direct.
It's really just a simple three-step process. All you've got to do is sign in to your Hugging Face account, and that'll get you into the quiz. Once you're in, just go through and answer the questions. And when you're all finished, just hit submit. That's it. Everything you need is right there, waiting for you.
After all that learning and all that prep, this is the moment. It is absolutely time to put that hard-earned knowledge to the test and really see what you can do.
The questions are ready, the coding challenges are all set up, everything you've learned has been leading up to this point. Your test is waiting for you. So, are you ready? Let's do this. Good luck.